You guys, we're gonna have to say goodbye to the pink trousers. The reason why is because I am assuming by putting them in the washing machine at a certain temperature, which was shrinking them over time, I'm a bit annoyed because I paid a lot of money for them. But this is in order to make up for it. This is a farewell to these. Goodbye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today is Model House Part 5. The house is coming on very well and I'm really excited about this part because we're finally working on the outside a lot more this time. So I'm going to grab everything out, so enjoy this quick montage. Okay, so the house is now out. She is looking absolutely amazing. Now, I have thought of an idea in last video, if you remember, that we're going to put gravel on the walls and the outside of the house, around the window frames and the pillars right there. And that will kind of break things up a wee bit, you know, from the foam, which the foam's going to be all covered. We're just going to cover it all. So that's the plan. That's coming tomorrow. I'll see you when I get it. Okay, so the gravel should be arriving very soon. It says between 4 and 7. So it's 4 o'clock, just after 4 now. So I have painted the sides of the window frames and the sides of the pillars here. Even on the other side, as you've seen. I'm going to be painting the rest. Then once the gravel arrives, we'll be putting the gravel on the walls by the PVA glue. Hopefully this is strong enough for it. If it is, then that's good. We can use that all the way around the house. Yeah. It's finally here. Please tell me I'm still recording. We're good. We're good. Oh, come on. Yeah. Better. Come on. Yes. They're a lot more tinier than I thought they were going to be. Wow. Okay. I need something to put them in. Oh, this. So this is what I ordered here. How do I open this up? Open it up here. And then just peel it like so. Oh wait, are they in a separate bag? Oh, they are. Okay, so I can just cut this open like so. Okay, oh. I accidentally cut a hole in one of the bags. No! I think I did. Yeah, so this is what I ordered right here. Doesn't it look really cool? I think it will look really cool. Next. Oh. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna do this part of the house. Have I painted that? Yes, I painted this as well. We're gonna do this part and see how it goes. I'll get back to you. You guys, I am in love with this. Now we just need to wait for the glue to dry, and hopefully most of them stay on. I just need to spread them out evenly because there's some that I've got quite a big chunk more than other areas, so I need to spread it out evenly. This is it here. Oh! Look at this. Look at this, man. This just adds to the effect even more. Imagine that all the way around here, and the other two sides, which is going to be here and here. Just imagine that. And here I'm going to print off a YouTube channel banner of my updated name. It's very similar design to this. You've seen it already right here. That's my old brand name, by the way. And that's going to be printed, the new one is going to be printed here. And then there's going to be all that stone all the way around it. And oh my god, guys. We're doing so well. We're doing so well. So how I did this is it's just wee tiny stones. This is the stones here. A mixture of purple, greys and clears. Then what I did was I took this paintbrush and painted PVA glue, a lot of it, all over the top. And then I sprinkled the stones onto the PVA glue. And hopefully, once it's all dry, I'll wait until tomorrow for it to dry, just to be on the safe side. And then hopefully they'll all stay. Please stay. Guys, that's the end of today's video, and I will see you in the next one.